Today I'm gonna unbox some of the projects that I won't get around to in the coming years to properly store them in the attic. I figured a time lapse would be the best way to show this, so here we go! My name is Dennis and welcome to Mugglehammer. This might not come as a surprise to you, but I have a lot of Warhammer. This is not even all of it, just the stuff that is still on sprue and I don't plan to work on anytime soon. I really like the look of these balloon boys, so I got myself a start collecting box. Never painted any, and now I have 52 of these models, sitting, waiting for paint. And some of these models are really big. Another big passion of mine is Tau. I love all of their suits. I'm really looking forward to panel lining all of those sweet details. The sculpts are just so good. I have some painted and I have some assembled, but featured here are the 87 unassembled miniatures, and again, some of them are really big. I also have a lot of random stuff, lots of cool terrain, some Slaves to Darkness, some single sculpts that I like, even some Space Marines that I might play around with in the future. I definitely want to keep these guys around, but long-term storage it is. I hope you enjoyed that time lapse, and I hope to see you again soon.